Hello guys, welcome to my new channel for personal and spiritual development. In this video, I'll talk about how you can start anything new without the fear that comes with that. If you want to start a new business or a new relationship, you can follow the advices and the tips that I give in this video and you will start without fear. This video is inspired by a live webinar that I have attended 2 weeks ago. It was called Time to Thrive Challenge and it was facilitated by Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. This video is not sponsored by them or anyone who is connected to them. I just want to share that they inspired me to do this video, and what I learned from the webinar is something that I will tell you in the next few minutes. The first thing that I learned in the webinar is that our next level is where our discomfort is. Our growth hides outside our comfort zone. If you want to start something new, of course it will feel like this is not something you're accustomed to. You will feel imposter syndrome, you will feel that you're not ready, you don't know enough, you're not capable enough, and this is imposter syndrome. So in the webinar I learned something really useful, and this knowledge helped me to start this YouTube channel. What is the knowledge? When you start something new, you should not ask yourself, how will I do the thing that I will start? Because when you ask the question, how will I do this, you freeze yourself and you stop yourself from taking action. You should rather ask yourself, what do I want to do and why do I want to do this? That's how you can connect with your inner values, with the long-term vision, with your dream. The drive and the energy is in the what and why. The how will come after you begin. So the knowledge, the skills that you need will come when you start the new activity. When you start something new, there is the emotion of fear, which is deeper, and it is really hard to overcome it just by rationalization alone. So the evolution made our brain to help us survive, but our monkey brain is not for growth. It is a tool for survival. It helps us to not die. So if we listen to it all the time, we will be in permanent anxiety state. The good thing about fear is that it points us in the right direction. Where the fear is where our next level is, where our growth and self-actualization is. I have feared to be on a camera for 2.5 years now. This is a way of going outside my comfort zone and growing in the process. In the myths, legends and the stories that we read and watch on the movies, the real treasure is under the belly of the dragon. We need to face the dragon and the fear of death, the fear of humiliation. We need to cut it down to little pieces, and that's how we take the treasure beneath. In order to do that, we need enough energy. You cannot face your fear without energy. So how can you increase your energy? There are a few tips and tricks that I can share with you now. The first one is fix your body posture. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. This is the first life rule of Jordan Peterson. When you stand up with your shoulders back, you actually produce more serotonin, the hormone that regulates emotion and your mental state. The second thing that you can do to increase your energy is to take action. You can do that by just doing the small things. Abide by the 2-minute rule. If something takes you less than 2 minutes, you just do it. If I see the laundry on the floor and I know that I can get it in my wardrobe in less than 2 minutes, I just do it on the moment. I don't think on it, I don't postpone it, I just do it. The same is with everything else. After you train with this rule, you can expand and you can do more challenging things. Sometimes you cannot take action because something stops you, because maybe you have addiction, maybe addiction to social media, to vaping, to video games. I had an addiction to video games and it was a really strong one, and with a deep dopamine detox I cleared it. What is that? You just cold turkey stop the activities that drain your dopamine. Social medias, porn, video games, junk food. These are the four really high dopamine demons, let's say. If you stop them for some time, your brain rewires itself to be better. One of the most important things to generate and save energy is our breathing. The way we breathe is the way we live. So if you breathe shallow, you live like that. We should breathe with our stomach. We should breathe deeply. There is a really nice exercise that can help you gather energy from the pranayama techniques. It's a spiritual technique that can help you generate a lot of energy for 1 or 2 minutes. It is called the square breathing technique. You breathe in for 10 seconds, you hold for 10 seconds, you breathe out for 10 seconds, and you hold for 10 seconds. And then you repeat. Do this for 1 to 5 minutes and you will feel more energy. You will gather more prana. And the last thing that you can do to create more energy in your life is meditation and mindfulness. You can do active meditations. Also, active meditations is a great way to gather more energy, but you can do a calmer meditation where you just close your eyes and you watch yourself. When you disconnect from negative feelings, from fear, and just watch it, you can make it disappear and you regain the energy that the fear has blocked. Maybe in the future I will make separate videos for each of those things and separate video for how you can gather more and more energy, and maybe how you can quit your addictions with dopamine detox. So if you want to get notified when those new videos comes out, subscribe to the channel. So what am I telling you with this video? The antidote of fear is action. Maybe you want to start a new YouTube channel, or maybe you want to start a new business. Maybe you want to ask a girl out, or maybe a boy out. How you can overcome your fear? Just go and do the thing. Inspiration and motivations come after you take an action. Now, it's easy to speak about this, but it's hard to do it. How I've done it in my life, I just grabbed my camera and I shoot my first YouTube video. You can watch it on my channel. It has not been edited. It is not so good. As this video, it's maybe not the best YouTube video that you will watch, but it's one of my firsts. And with action, I will get better and better. The quality of my videos will increase, and so will my skill to present, to speak, to be in front of a camera. The same thing is with you. The how will come after what and why. So just start. And sometimes writing helps with starting, because it gathers your thoughts in one place. So what you can do to start is write in the comments what is the one thing that you want to start but you fear doing, and what is the smallest step that you can take towards that new thing. And if you want to learn something really interesting, check out my newest video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!